Today we have a Cobalt Blue 1930s original ceiling fan. This fan I got off of Facebook Marketplace just this past weekend. Or, well, actually probably a few months ago at the time that I upload this video because of my upload schedule that I've been on this whole summer. Today I'm joined by a special guest. Say hello, Connor.
Hi.
That's right, Connor is on video chat with me. So yeah, so we're gonna fire it up with the light. For some reason, the switch housing just does not want to tighten itself on this fan, which is a little annoying. I don't know why. Out of the other three that I have, none of them do that. So I don't know. I don't know what's up with that. And Connor, feel free to chime in and say something about the fan if you want to.
Okay.
Here's low speed. This fan, I was told by the seller that it sat in a basement for a while, and in turn it runs a little stiff, but hopefully I can get some zoom spout soon, so I can run it more often. But it runs really good actually, even though for being such a stiff fan, it still runs really good. It is one of the newer models because it does have the swivel kit attached to it. And for those wondering what's the difference between the newer and the older ones basically have the exact same canopy, except the fact that the way you attach it is different. It's just like any other original. It's just the two halves come together and then you screw it in. So yeah. Medium. Oh shoot, what else should I say about it? I don't know. Other than the fact that this thing runs, it just runs really good, and more often than not, you'll come across a 1930s original that wobbles a lot. This one doesn't wobble at all. Well, for the most part. But the wobble that it does make is literally what you get when you mount it to a J-hook. Yeah, anything you want to add? Or
No.
Not really?
No, I got nothing.
This is going well. Anyway, here's high speed. This thing friggin' flies, which is what you should expect from a 1930s original, or really any original, to be more specific. But, and for it spinning as fast as it is, it does not really wobble. I forgot to mention that this one is 4.5 adaptable, which I am under the impression the newer ones are. Because my red one is 4.5 adaptable, but my white one and my green one are not. My white and my green one are 5-blade only. So, yeah. I need to do a video of all four of them together.
Yeah.
That'd be a really cool video. But I can't really do that because the white one's installed in the living room.
Yeah, it's not easy. You can't get them all in the same spot.
No. I mean, I could try to edit it, but that would no. That's not worth my time.
That wouldn't work.
And it would look stupid. Everybody would know that it's edited. Just based off of the lighting and stuff.
Yeah.
And also sound.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah. Okay. I normally don't do this in my videos, but I actually haven't seen it in reverse yet, so I kind of want to do that. I just want to see how it runs in reverse. because I might install this somewhere in my house. I'm not exactly sure where. I don't know if it's going to go in the office or if the green one's going to go in the office. I don't know where this one's going to go, but my mom did say that she wanted this fan in the house somewhere. I don't know, but like I said, I have no idea where she would put it. It's buzzing a little bit. Yeah, it's buzzing a little bit in reverse. Dude, didn't any of yours do that? Like they're dead silent and forward and then buzz a little bit in reverse? Or no?
I don't think so. Mine are either fine or they just have some buzz. Like overall, it doesn't do it in like any specific direction.
I don't know. I mean, this is the first time I've ran it in reverse, so who knows?
Yeah.
And it still doesn't wobble. That's actually kind of impressive because one of the blades is bent a little bit. I didn't mention that there are two 40-watt appliance bulbs in there. That's all I have on hand right now. But yeah. So yeah, that's going to do it for this video of this Cobalt Blue Hunter 1930s original ceiling fan. Thank you very much for watching.